Good day everyone. Today I will show you what is the basics of file handling in C. After this video, we will know what is file handling and how to use it. By the way, I'm Roms Aban. Now, what is file handling in C? File handling in C is the process in which we create, open, read, write, and close operation on a file. C language provides different functions such as fopen, fwrite, fread, fseek, fprintf, etc. to perform input, output, and many different C file operation in our program. So why do we need file handling in C? So far, the operations using the C program are done on prompt terminal, which is not stored anywhere. The output is deleted when the program is closed. But in the software industry, most programs are written to store the information fetched from the program. The use of file handling is exactly what the situation calls for. What is the importance of it? We have the reusability. The data stored in the file can be accessed, updated, deleted anywhere, anytime, providing high reusability. Portability. Without losing any data, files can be transferred to another in the computer system. The risk of flawed coding is minimized with this feature. Efficient. A large amount of input may be required for some programs. File handling allows you to easily access a part of a file using few instructions, which saves a lot of time and reduces the chances of error. Lastly, we have the storage capacity. Files allows you to store a large amount of data without having to worry about storing everything simultaneously in a program. We have two types of files in C. We have the text files and the binary files. Text files contain data in form of ASCII characters and is generally used to store a stream of characters. Each line in a text file ends with a new line character. It can be read or written by any text editor. They are generally stored with text file extension. Text files can also be used to store the source code. Now, the binary file contains data in binary form, O's, zeros, and ones, instead of ASCII characters. They contain data that is stored in a similar manner to how it's stored in the main memory. The binary files can be created only from within a program, and their contents can only be read by a program. More secure as they are not easily readable. They are generally stored with .bin file extension. We have different kind of file operations. We have creating a new file, opening a file, reading from file, writing to a file, moving to a specific location in a file, closing a file. Here's some basic file operation in C. The first one, we can create a file. Now let's start in opening or creating a file. First, we'll put the file pointer. FPTR. FPTR. Fopen. Open sample text. .txt. And we will add a if statement. ptr is equal to null printf file could not be opened. This if this if statement will be an indicator for an successful file opening. Then we will add a return 1. Return 1. Lastly, we will close the file with this tr. And now let's check if our file is created. And now to write in our text file, we will use fprintf file pointer. Now let's check it. And we go back to the text file. So you can see the input is successful. And now for reading in a file, we will have to add our character. Buffer. Then we will use the fscanf fptr %s buffer. Printf read from file %s buffer. And now I put a character here, buffer, and we change the W to R for read mode. And now let's read the file. As you can see, we have the result right here. Now, for closing a file, always close a file using the fclose when you are done with it. Thank you for watching this short video. Hope you learned some and try it yourself. I have the link for this topic so you can use for further learning of the basics in file handling in C.